Hello everyone, I'm back again with another piece of my peace story. Every day I think that I should not look at the laptop and just talk to you just like that on a particular topic. Then I wonder, what if I skip an important point? What if I am not able to talk to you about a particular point that I always wanted to? So I prefer writing it down or probably looking at my laptop and then reading out to you. So today's piece of my peace story is World Without Border, Dream or Danger. A world without borders can be both a dream and a danger, depending on how we approach it. Let me explain. Why were borders created? From my understanding, borders were established to enable better administration and governance. Different groups with evolving faiths and culture manage their own systems with defined territories. This structure worked well, making governance simpler and more effective. When did the problem begin? The trouble started when greed took over, when the desire for more power and land outweighed the value of peace and well being for people. This hunger to grab more land sparked conflicts and unrest. What does world without borders actually mean? Here are some core principles. Respect sovereignty. Return any land taken unjustly, graciously, and peacefully. History shows that land grabs never bring lasting prosperity. Instead, they cause deterioration and conflict for both occupiers and occupied. I challenge anyone to find a single example where a country that seized land peacefully thrived long term. There simply isn't one. No faith or religion is greater than humanity. Everyone has the right to follow their own beliefs without judgment or conflict. Religious teachings across cultures emphasize compassion and unity rather than division. No religious text advocates violence in the name of faith. We are all human first, regardless of our beliefs. Differences in faith do not make anyone superior or inferior. Don't take what isn't yours, whether land or resources. Grabbing what belongs to others only leads to ruins. Material gain comes with heavy price of being branded a thief. True peace and progress cannot come from stealing what belongs to others. In short, a world without borders mean don't take what isn't yours. Mind your own business and I will mind mine. This fosters productivity and peace. No land grabs or spying on others. Support and uplift marginalized countries and communities genuinely in need. Eradicate age-old evils like corruption. Look beyond yourself and help those who genuinely need it. The heart of the matter. At its core, a world without borders is built on empathy and inclusion, removing evil and division, and bringing everyone into the mainstream. It's about making every human feel truly human. It means ensuring that our resources like CSR funds reach those who genuinely deserve them. A true world without borders come alive when every individual lives ethically. Can this be done? Is this a tough task? Not really. It stands with each one of us changing our mindset. After all, if we have learned unethical ways, we can learn ethical ones too. I hope to see a world without borders soon, where borders exist only as lines for better administration and not as barriers to peace. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.